Welcome to Asset Plant and Machinery. Today we're featuring the UNI70C, the hydraulic version of the UNI70 model, which comes with 3 sets of formers. The difference with this model is that it has hydraulic clamping. This is actuated on when you first put the piece of pipe into the machine. You press the automatic pedal, then as soon as it clamps, it starts to do the desired angle that was preset. Once it does that angle that's preset on the pipe, it will then release so that you can remove the pipe from the machine. Then again you press the foot pedal and it returns back to the 0 position. For further information and specifications on this machine and the UNI70 electric, you can go to our website at assetplant.com. Thank you.